Oh, hey, what are you doing here? Into the mic. Peter, Naomi, level 2, mixing 6 and 8, mixing slows and quicks.
You guys ever chew those mints in the dark and then it like sparks in your mouth? You should try it. It's really fascinating.
Yeah, in the 90s. Let's go, buddy.
So we did the following. A six count like this. Hey. And we turned that into a psycharoo. Hey, it'll come back. We also turned it into a promenade. Hey. Big things we were working on as a reminder is that as a follower, you got to keep turning on the end of that 6 count. If your basic has a little bit more, they're not going to see it this way, sorry. If your basic is willing to go with your left side kind of leading the charge, it's very different than being flat here.
Remember, followers, you're going to show this shoulder to your leaders.
When you're flat here, you're faking the last triple step a little bit every time. It doesn't feel like a triple step necessarily. So then I can't make it feel like something else. When you're here, that feels like one side of your body for 2 beats. And when you're trying for that, I can say, no. Or I can say, hey, it's both sides, keep walking. That's the big difference there. Then we took
things down the line.
We did a circle, didn't we? Am I crazy?
No,
at the end, okay.
You're crazy.
So we took it down the line. We did.
Step, step,
stop, taking that basic turn.
Step, step,
but we keep it moving.
Step,
turn it into an 8 count.
Hey.
Stop. We did the same thing with this turn. You got a simple tuck turn. And we took it and we made it an 8 count.
Followers going down the line with the sides of your body, not just hammering out the footwork because we said so. So remember, if you're thinking of a line instead of a turn, it really clarifies your footwork. Leaders
got to think about the rotation. We make the turns happen more and the line kind of works.
And then we did a circle and we extended it.
That's correct. So we started here with that normal step. We just put a bunch of extra step in there just to mess around with it and get that feeling. That's something you can play around with on the social floor. And just keep things moving and grooving. That's it. Oh, yeah.